Hello Year 10. This is a video for you guys on some stuff to do with vectors. I decided that I sent out the PowerPoint to you that was the one I was going to use for your lessons on vectors, but obviously couldn't use because we're not in school. So I am just going to go through the 3 examples in the vector proofs lesson. So if you make sure you've got those examples somewhere, I'm going to go through those and hopefully it will just help. I'll do an example for each of them. So I'll do the example 1, showing vectors are equal, example 2, which is show 2 vectors are parallel, and then example 3 is prove points are in a straight line. So I'm going to do them in separate videos, but this is example 1, showing vectors are equal. If you don't need to listen to these, then feel free not to, it's completely optional again. So we are going to be expressing, the first part of this question is part A, express AB in terms of A and B. You'll notice that I've underlined my A and B. That's actually really important because vectors are denoted by being in bold, but because obviously we can't write them as bold, we have to put a little underline under them, so then we know that those are vectors and it's not just a normal kind of letter. So do be aware of that. So we're going from point A to point B, so point A is here, and we're going to travel to point B. To do that, we are going to have to go via point O, so essentially we are going to go A to O and then O to B to get there, because we've got to go that way round because we are going from A to B. So we're going to go A to O and then O to B. A to O is going that way, so that's going to be minus 3A, because if I was going O to A, it would be 3A. A to O is minus 3A, and then I'm going to go O to B, so that's plus 6B. So ultimately that ends up being 6B minus 3A. You'll find with lots of vectors questions, the first part is designed to help you with the second part, so please use it. Bear it in mind, there is a part A and a part B for a reason. So our next part is we've got X, so that's here, is the point on AB such that AX to XB is in the ratio 1 to 2. I'm just going to write that on there, 1 to 2. And we've also got BY is 5A minus B, and we're going to prove that OX equals 2/5 of OY. So that's OX is 2/5 of that. So I need essentially an expression for OX, and I need to show that's 2/5 of OY. I'm actually just going to start by working out what OY actually is, and I'm going to do that from going from O to B and then adding on B to Y. O to B is 6B, and then B to Y is plus 5A minus B. So overall, that's 5B plus 5A. Normally, probably write them the other way around rather than that way for alphabetical order, but oh well, we'll leave it like that for now. So that's what OY is. I also need what OX is, because then I'm going to be able to compare them. So I need to go from here to here. Now I can't go along that line because I don't know what it is, but what I can do is go from O to A and then go O to X. And the reason I can go from O to X is because I know that OX is 1/3, because it's 1 out of 3 possible segments of AB. So really, I'm going OX is OA plus 1/3 of AB. Okay, now OA is really nice and easy, that's just 3A. 1/3 of AB, now we worked out AB up here, so I want 1/3 of 6B minus 3A. So that is 3A plus 2B minus A, which altogether is 2A plus 2B. And all we wanted to do was show that OX was 2/5 of OY. Well, if I work out 2/5 of OY, 2/5 of that is going to be 2A plus 2B, which is what I've got there. So you just need a statement at the end to show that. Other than that, that is what it is, okay? And that's all we need. So that was example 1 I'm going to do example 2 in my next video.